Carve me the house of my dreams. Carve me a valley, make me a stream that runs through the mountains and under the trees. Woodcarver, do this for me.
Well, I can carve you a house out of oak, out of pine, make you a castle that sits on the Rhine, even a cottage that no one can find, with a sun that forever will shine. But I can't make it real for you. It's only as real as the wood that I use. I can't make your dreams come true. That's something you'll have to do.
Woodcarver, carve me the love I can't find. Make him gentle, tender and kind. Carve him a heart that will always be mine. Woodcarver, take your time.
Well, I can carve you a knight, or a cowboy in jeans, or maybe a sailor coming home from the sea, hard as the oak, or as soft as the pine, just like the man you can't find. But I can't make it real for you. It's only as real as the wood that I use. I can't make your dreams come true. That's something you'll have to do.
Do you mind if I watch? Your hands are so smooth and your chisel so sharp. I promise that I will not get in your way. Woodcarver, please let me stay.
Well, I can carve you your house, I can carve you your man, but I can give you much more with these wood-carving hands. No, you won't be a bother if you want to stay. Do you know what I'm trying to say? I could make it real for you. I'm as real as the wood that I use. I could make your dreams come true. There's nothing more you'd have to do.
Oh, woodcarver, make it come true. Woodcarver, carve me the house of my dreams. Carve me a valley, make me a stream that runs through the mountains and under the trees. Woodcarver, do this for me.